Hello, welcome to a beautiful condominium. You walk into a huge foyer. This unit has hardwood floors throughout. Here's the first bedroom, completely separate from the other. He has nice big closets. It is a very bright room overlooking the city. And you have direct access to a beautiful wraparound deck. There is a full bath, nicely painted. That is entrance to the deck as well. And you walk into a beautiful, large, very flexible floor plan. There's a stained glass window. This unit is very quiet. There's the dining area. There's also an eat-in kitchen with designer Sub-Zero refrigerator, stainless appliances throughout. Spectacular views from just about every window. Here's a little nook for an office. We're gonna walk on over to another bedroom. There is a huge hallway closet. Second full bath with tub and shower. And here's an amazing bedroom. Leading to a deck with spectacular views. If you're interested in this unit, please contact Jackie, Tom, or Taylor Adams, rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much.